ladies and gentlemen, this is the Unimat SL-1000. I'm making another T-nut for this thing right here to fit into the little slot here. I had made one earlier and it was so much fun I decided to make another one. This time I decided to film it. It's almost pretty much done. What I did want to do was show a facing cut with this amazing little tool. They say that they don't recommend that you do much steel on this. I can see why it's not a super heavy duty machine or whatever, but with this specially ground carbide bit that I did here, and I think, what am I running here? Hold on just a second. I am running, let's see here, 1600 RPMs here, and this square here is 1/2 inch, so stand by for the mayhem here. Advance it just a hair here. This is some hot rolled ammonium. Got kind of a skin on the outside of it. That's why you heard the drop of the RPMs of the motor. But all in all, it handled this stuff pretty well. I'm going to give it one more cut here. Only a slight drop in the RPM on that one. I took a very, very light cut on that. But I think we're about at the size that we need to be. I think we're about the size that we need to be here, and it is a very nice finish. Just hold it up to the other one to see how deep I am, and I need to take one more little itty bitty pass here so you guys get the possible enjoyment of watching one more pass here. So I'm just going one of the indicated lines, which I believe to be probably 1/10 of a millimeter if I gotta guess, since these were made in Austria. So much fun, I'm going to take one more pass at it. Just a real slight dip in RPMs. I was taking cuts at 2000 RPMs with no problem at all. As a matter of fact, I was able to remove a whole bunch of stock, believe it or not, at 2000 RPMs. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this is the pile of chips that basically came off of this thing. Real nice little gossamer chips. And I think I'm pretty much at the depth that I need to be here. You know what, just for good measure, we're gonna measure 5 times and cut 6 times. So I'm gonna go, just so you guys can hear what 2 hash marks are here. I'm assuming this is 2/10 of a millimeter. match up again just one more time. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this out. And we'll go ahead and see if it fits. And there we go. I got one more blank made up for this. Turned out okay. Not a beauty winner, but I'll file her up and make her look all nice and pretty and put her to use.